Yo, welcome. So today I'm gonna talk about RSI. So yeah, as you can see here, you click on your screen, okay? Click indicator, click main window, then go to oscillator. Okay, we choose RSI, relative strength index. We choose 14. This is my setting. You can follow if you want. Okay. So what is the use of RSI? RSI is for us to actually identify divergence. Okay, divergence is very important to me because I actually trade it using divergence. Okay, um, as you can see here, price actually want to reverse. Okay, because this is Dow Jones, it could be bullish. Um, you know, yeah, I don't really use this in Dow Jones. Yeah, I've tried it before, so not sure whether it work or not. So just be patient and wait. Okay, if you want to reverse, you reverse. Maybe after half an hour. It could be a fake out. Okay, H4 candle you haven't closed yet. Okay, you could go out a little bit, then later on you start to drop. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, I don't know anything about it, but what we see here is price is losing momentum here. Okay, that's why you know that's why I sell. Okay, when the price is actually at 85, it means that price is what overbought. Like a lot of buyers inside the market. So when price is here 25 to 60 means that price is oversold. Okay, so when the price is oversold, we want to buy. When price is overbought, we want to sell. Okay, so that's why I sell there. Okay, yeah, although the RSI is dropping. The momentum is dropping, but then the price still go up, so um it means that the money maker is trying to get some order before it drop it. Okay, drop the price. I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, so we'll show you a little bit more. Yeah, see here, price overbought, divergence here, then price what drop, right? Happens all the time. Okay, here also same thing. Okay, high, right? Here also the same. Check. Yeah, flat. Price is flat. Okay, means that supposedly it should create higher high, but then just flat. So means also divergence. It means divergence as well. So price creating higher high here. Here, low low, flat drop. Okay. So there are a lot of example here. Yeah, sometimes. Possible that something's price don't really drop a lot like this. Okay, happens all the time. Okay, if it's yeah, just stop out, right? Yeah, this is conversion. It means that the price, the RSI indicator and the price is moving the same. Conversion means price is high and then RSI also high. So meaning there's no divergence. So got divergence here. Must be higher. Yeah. So you do this kind of exercise, just do more. Don't really want to go through too much. These are the exercise that you should do to actually turn your eyes to see the market. Okay, so once you see all these things, then you could definitely trade profitable. You can actually trade trade it very well. Okay, so yeah, just learn to read all these RSI, EMA 50, extreme and bought in Japan. This should be able to actually help you to become profitable traders. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, see you in the next video.